Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video pointing out why Snapchat is not a good investment at this point in time. It's March 19th, 2017. Their IPO was on March 2nd. So they've only been a public company for roughly, a couple weeks. So let's just get into it. Snapchat is a really popular app with the younger generation. I'm 27 years old. I use it. A lot of my friends use it. But the problem is, how are they making money, right? Everyone uses it, but what's their revenue stream? So I'm going to just type in Snap here. We can take a look. I'll go to fundamentals here. You're going to get some really quick data points, right? Gross margin, a negative number, right? 11.66%. The operating margin, 128% in the negative. Okay, these are not good. You don't want these numbers to be negative in something you're investing. We can get more detailed numbers here on financials. So, your total revenue, right? $404 million. We have cost of revenue, admin expenses, labor, yada yada yada. Anyways, it all adds up to operating income. So right now, Snapchat costs $520 million to run, and they earn $404 million, which means they are losing $100 million per year right now. If I go to their stock price, let me just get back here. Just type this in again. Actually, no, summary. You can see what happened here, right? So, the IPO was actually $17, right? And then it opened to the public at 24. It rallies, right? And then people start selling it off. It went through pretty much a massive sell-off phase. People thought the value was lower. A little bit of speculation happens. People start buying it, and now reality starts to hit. And you see this is getting lower and lower and lower, right? And the reason is because it's not a profitable company. So no one thinks the value of the stock was $24, and people still don't think the value of it is at around $19, right? So some people are saying you should buy it when it's at around 10 or 12. I would agree, right? This is what experts are saying. So this is what a lot of people are going to believe. They're not profitable, but they could be. Another problem with Snapchat is their main selling point can be replicated. So we see Instagram has already created Snapchat stories, basically, right? The filters and all the other fun stuff. These things can be easily replicated. And when you look at a companies like Instagram, so Instagram is a subsidiary of Facebook, but they have similar revenue models where they can incorporate advertisements really easily. Snapchat is trying to do this as well, but it's super invasive if you do it too much in Snapchat, because there's no interface in a website. You're just looking at pictures for a certain amount of time. So this is another concern that people have, is that it might be difficult for them to actually generate revenue. But obviously, a company like this has a lot of potential, and if they come up with a good revenue stream, the stock can soar. But you have to get it at a good, valuable price, at around like maybe between $10 and $13.